Hello folks, and welcome to Tony's DIECAST Restores. Today I'm doing a mild custom, almost restoration on this Mercedes-Benz 300 SE. The real Mercedes-Benz 300 SE, known as the W112, was first introduced as a sedan in 1961. The coupe was included in the lineup in 1962 and produced until 1967. Which is, I believe, the model Matchbox used to produce this car in 1968. It was released with green paintwork and regular wheels. A year later, it was recoloured metallic blue, prior to being converted to Superfast in 1970. As you can see, this is a metallic blue version with regular wheels. The paint's not too bad. It's missing an A-pillar and the other one is cracked. The chrome work is dull and the interior is dirty. Let's get on with it. First off, let's drill the posts and get the thing apart. I'm using the big 6mm drill just to take these rivets out. I think I don't need a smaller one yet. Let's see how it goes. A little bit at a time. That's not too bad. See if it can come off. Ah, look at that. Brilliant. So that's the interior exposed. Plastic suspension. Nice cream interior. Not badly detailed. Nice steering wheel. Now to drill the window out. Again, gentle. Try not to crack it. A little bit of persuasion. It's not quite there. Screwdriver. Now it's popped straight off. Right, let's get these wheels off. The usual Dremel technique. Let the Dremel spin the axle, takes the end off nice and easy. Again, second one. Spin the axle. That's pretty much it. Okay, it's stripping time. As usual, it's hot water and caustic. Let's throw the bits in. Speeded this bit up a bit. There's the caustic going in. Phase. Nice, there's the paint coming off already. I'll put that to one side and let it fizz for a while. I want to clean the interior now. Bit of soapy water should get this dirt off, no bother. Okay, now I'm doing the wheels. And I'll do the windscreen as well. There's a couple of scratches on there, but it's okay. And that's the metalwork out of the caustic. Pretty clean. A little bit left on the doors. Let's polish it up with the wire brush and the Dremel as usual. I've taken some advice and glued the bristles in with super glue. No porcupine attacks this time. Doesn't take long, I've speeded it up anyway. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, that's the base. Nice and shiny. Finally the doors. Some nice detail on the interior of these doors. I think that's just about it. I'll get the small brush on the Dremel just to do these interior bits. Don't forget the wheel arches. Right, now to fix these pillars. This one's just cracked, so I just need to fill these a bit. Get the baking soda on there. A bit more glue. I'm not a very good shot with the baking soda. Okay, that's one pillar done. I'll look at the other one. So you can see I've filled it in. That's a bit of a split pin. More baking soda and super glue. Missed. That's better. Okay, let's fill the roof bits out. Try and get as much off as I can. Obviously I've speeded this up a bit because it takes quite a while to do this. I love these diamond files. They make really easy work of the super glue. Just see it in the bottom of the windscreen there. Top of the pillar, curve on the roof there. Not bad. Just doing the internal lumps there. Make sure the glass will fit in properly again. Almost there by the looks of it. There we go. That's it after its first prime. Looks pretty good. A little bit of detail there. Yeah, looking good. Ready for the final coat. This is a tack coat going on. As you can see, I'm doing it blue. I might get the action centre screen some point in the future, hopefully. Okay, I'm doing the small bits now. That's the boot lid I'm doing now. That's a door. And now I'm doing the final coat on the car. Plenty of paint on there. Nice and glossy. This is actually a mix of 3 blue Tamiya colours. It doesn't match the original blue colour, but I like it. And that's what counts. Again, doing the small pieces. Make sure I get all the edges. I'm pretty much done there. Right, this is all the pieces ready for final assembly. I straightened the suspension bar with a hot air gun. It was slightly bent. It clips onto the bottom of the interior. I'll silicone the glass in. Boot lid needs to go in first. Glass holds that in place. A little bit of struggle there. And it's in. There you go. Glass is in next. Just making sure it fits. Okay, I'll put the interior next. Yeah, that's okay. Put the doors in and then put the spring in. Spring holds the front of the glass in. And finally the interior goes in. And the base goes in. I've just sprayed the base with clear lacquer. I like the look of it. Not my usual black, but there you go. And here's the screws going in. Almost ready for the final reveal. What's that? As you can remember, the paintwork was a little bit chipped, but not too bad. The chrome was all dull and horrible. It was missing an A-pillar on one side and the other side was cracked. The glass wasn't bad, a little bit scratched and dirty, but okay. The interior was pretty good, just a little bit dirty. So let's see how it turned out. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SE Coupe. I've done a mild custom on this one, enhanced the chrome bits, painted the black number plate on the back there, and painted the tail lights in. That's all really. The blue's a bit lighter than the original. I couldn't quite replicate the metallic blue of the original. All in all, I think it came up pretty well. What do you guys think? Let's see it in the comments. So, what's coming up next? I'm going back to construction. I'm doing the Superfast Ford Transit pickup with a dropped side. It's rough. It looks like it's been dipped in acid. Anyhow, I'm going to do a straight restoration on this one. Nothing fancy. I'm also going to be doing something different. I'm going to do a special unboxing. I've got some really nice cars coming through the post soon and I want to show you them. Also, keep your eyes open for the Mustang update. I'm redoing the blue stripes on the car I did recently. but I'm also doing the car that I took the windscreen off. So that's 2 stangs for the price of 1. Anyhow, that's pretty much it for now. Here's my address if you want to send us some stuff. Remember, comments below, notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'll see you soon. That's all. Goodbye.